Welcome to my channel, Creative Young Artist. Today I am telling you a very interesting story of a bunny bear who found a mysterious magical book in the woods in a forest. When then he started reading the book, he found a very interesting magical cookies recipe. So he decided to make. He gathered all the ingredients of a magical cookies. Then he thought I should call my friends to help me. So he called Semi Squirrel, Nasty Raccoon to help him. They all came up with the other ingredients he required. So in the kitchen, they started making the cookies. And a very happy mood, they started mixing ingredients and putting chocolates and some magical treats on the cookie, and then they started baking them, and they come out to be very magical. Now the cookies are ready, and Sammy Squirrel is looking at them, said that's they are so yummy, and he enjoy it eating. So they make a magical cookies, and magical cookies are ready. So all the friends are happy. They help together and enjoy eating cookies. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Take care.